Hi everyone, we're finally back with our I Dare to Share series, and today the format is going to be a little bit different because our special guest is Dina from Blah Blah Blast. Hi! That's how we connect.
Ya kan? Ya ampun sedih banget ya, tapi ya gitu deh.
We're born from aliens, so I do too. When you believe, ya kan?
You will.
Hi Dina, can you introduce yourself and what you do for a living?
Hai semuanya. Jadi aku Dina dari Blah Blah Blast. I'm a tarot reader and I'm being pranked sort of by Senior in the I Dare to Share session. Wish me luck.
Okay guys, for those of you who've never seen I Dare to Share, this is how you play the game. We will each take turns to take a card and then read it out loud. And if you don't want to answer or you cannot answer the question, you have to drink jamu. Dan ini adalah jamu temulawak pilihan Dina. Okay. Ih, menang.
What are the 3 words that would describe me?
Ooh, mystical. Mysterious.
Misterius banget ya gue.
Terus apa ya? Ya bubbly aja tuh lihat tuh kayak lucu aja, like packaged in like a little human. Yeah, that's your 3 words. What kind of a cult
Waduh.
would you like to start?
Wow.
Let's make a cult.
Let's make a cult. Senior udah bikin cult loh BTW.
Kita udah cult sih. I mean, you don't know, you guys don't know what we do in our studio. Kayak we're always like either tarot reading or like kayak banyak banget deh. Kayak we're a cult.
Yeah, I want to make a cult of cewek-cewek yang tahu mereka maunya apa dan nggak takut to speak out what's in their mind. Gitu sih. It doesn't have to be like mystical or esoteric tinggi, tapi kayak ya gitu. Cult kan bisa perkumpulan apa aja sebenarnya. Gitu. What about you?
I mean, we've already kind of started one in our studio, so it's gonna be kayak fashion kayak fashion featuring kayak esoteric like things. So like Senior is so like
Cultish.
esoteric. We're
Yeah.
so cultish. Okay, we totally could be a cult. What's your favorite crystal? I mean, they're all my babies. How do you kayak how do you choose one? Tapi the one that I meditate to the most, I would say, is my big block of selenite.
So I like fluorite, carnelian, sama black tourmaline.
Wow, you answered that so fast. So do you already have that in mind before kayak?
Enggak ada sih. Karena biasanya aku tuh to be honest nggak pernah ada yang kayak most favorite gitu loh. Tapi kayak biasanya aku yang misalnya lagi momen apa, lagi butuhnya apa, itu my most favorite at that current time gitu. Tapi kayak biasanya ganti-ganti gitu. Ternyata setelah dipikir-pikir yang paling menyenangkan tuh si 3 itu gitu. Soalnya with black tourmaline, menurut aku tuh it can help me filter people gitu loh. So I don't need to like block people out of my life. Tapi kayak ya udah yang mau masuk ya masuk aja, yang nggak boleh masuk nggak boleh masuk aja gitu. So it's not like I have shield around me gitu. Jadi kayak kayak aku nggak bikin tembok gitu, but
It's doing that for you.
It's doing that for you and it filter people aja gitu. It filters people, bukan yang kayak lo nggak boleh main sama ini nih, lo nggak mau nggak gitu. Yeah, I'm sorry that I talk about black tourmaline as if it's a person, tapi gitu rasanya kayak gitu, kayak ya gitu deh, kayak dikasih filter gitu sama dia. Soalnya kan kadang ada orang yang merasa butuh protection tapi it makes them ngeblock orang-orang yang ada di sekitarnya gitu loh. Jadi kayak bikin tembok instead of bikin filter gitu kan, itu nggak baik juga kan sebenarnya. Jadi kayak orang-orang yang harus masuk nggak bisa masuk dong kalau nggak di filter. Kalau misalnya dibikin tembok gitu, kasian yang nungguin di depan pintu. Gitu sih.
Aku nggak tahu sih ini ada questionnya apa enggak, tapi
Iya, gimana?
aku mau tanya kayak how do you use your crystals? Kayak gimana sih cara kayak you harness the energies of crystal?
Aku dari pertama emang selalu suka to carry it around aja gitu. Jadi kan ada orang-orang yang kayak dia punya yang gede-gede terus ditaruhnya di tempat tidur atau di ruang tamu atau lala segala macam. Kalau aku tuh menurutku cara buat PDKT paling bener itu adalah dengan to carry it around with me gitu, like I put it in my kantong celana atau dompet gitu. Bahkan tuh kadang kadang tuh saking selalu naro kristal di dalam kantongnya tuh, pernah suatu hari kayak aku lupa, aku nggak ambil pas lagi laundry, terus aku panik gitu, mana ya ini si citronnya mana ya, oh iya masuk celana yang baru di laundry, terus kayak panically message the laundry person like ada batu nggak di dalam situ. Kayak ya ampun sedih banget ya, tapi ya gitu deh. Tapi gitu. Iya.
Do that too though.
Terus kalau nggak dibawa meditate. Tapi kalau dulu tuh aku nggak into meditasi, jadi kayak more like ya itu tadi ngantongin gitu-gitu. Tapi setelah nyoba meditasi ya gitu dipakai pas lagi meditasi, kayak digenggam atau taruh di I don't know which part of your chakra or your body that you feel like
Needs the
yeah,
most energy.
betul sekali gitu sih. Kamu ya?
Yeah, I do that too. Kayak maksudnya kayak I hold it tight and meditate with it gitu loh. Soalnya kayak sometimes I like bring them around, but my selenite is quite like a
Big, I
big.
know, ya.
Jadi kayak emang susah sih
Iya,
kayak untuk
susah.
dibawa-bawa. But my little ones kayak itu kadang suka aku bawa-bawa, and that's how like we connect. Iya kan? Iya kan? Do you read your horoscope? If so, do you believe it?
Not even a horoscope. Like sometimes I do tarot reading for myself.
I do too. I do too.
Or kalau udah kepepet banget, ya udah lihat-lihat yang di YouTube aja gitu. Jadi kayak
Pick
nggak
a card.
ya jadi kayak gitulah. Kalau tarot reader lagi butuh solusi, that's where they run to. Pasti akan ngeliatin pergituan juga. Jadi jangan salah gitu. Walaupun not all the time.
Do you have those apps though?
Yeah, of
Apps,
course.
yeah.
What about you?
I don't read my horoscope, but I do tarot readings
ya kan?
for myself. And Novi kan kayak mistis gitu kan. Novi kan kayak a witch inside gitu kan. Dia tuh bilang kayak my tarot tuh ada this like little girl gitu yang kayak tells us what we want to know gitu loh.
Yeah.
Dan ini kayak yang let's get back to the question yang kayak have you ever seen a ghost? I felt like she was there. The one time I read it, I was like on my bed and I was just like playing around with my tarot cards. Terus I felt like she's like right in front of me. Serem nggak? Tapi kayak
nggak in a serem way.
Nggak
gitu.
in a serem way. It's like a serene, like she's there to like tell me things gitu lah. That I wanna know gitu.
Tapi ya gitu. Tapi kadang kalau misalnya ngebaca buat diri sendiri tuh kayak suka, aduh, kalau keluar good cards gitu tuh kayak, aduh, I need to be objective. Nggak pengen kayak jadi aduh bias gitu. Makanya that's where I stop reading for myself. Ya jadi kayak ya udah jangan kepedean. Seek solution for another from another hat gitu. Lebih kayak gitu sih biasanya.
We're on to the second deck.
Gitu. Wow. Evolution, a theory or a fact?
I'm the one who made this question, and I honestly don't know the answer to that. Oh my god, I should drink. Because like no one can like really say that it's like a fact. Okay.
Semuanya selalu.
Cheers, you guys. Oh my god.
Aduh, pengen kunyit asam aja deh rasanya. Aduh,
Maksudnya kayak tanah.
aduh, salah pilih.
What about you? Evolution, a theory or fact?
More like, aku rasa semuanya ya pasti berevolusi sih. Ya nggak usah, ini kan kayak grande banget ya. Maksudnya manusia satu orang doang aja itu kayak dalam hidupnya pasti berevolusi. So, in terms of this grande evolution thingy, I do think that it's a fact. Walaupun nggak mere fact ya, cuman kayak
Kayaknya aku
ya
ngerti
kayak,
deh maksud
ya
kamu,
ngerti
kayak
kan maksudku.
kayak maksudnya we don't stay like
Yeah,
our
like,
souls
iya.
and like ya pasti kita nggak stay gitu loh.
Iya, kayak kita tuh nggak, kalau orang bilang kayak, ya ampun kamu berubah, ya emang kita berubah, nggak
Yeah,
mungkin
always.
kita tuh kayak we're always changing gitu, even just one tiny little cell di tubuh kita itu juga berubah gitu
Yeah,
lah,
and
jadi
our
kayak,
palms, the like
ah,
lines on our palms is ever changing.
semuanya berubah gitu, kayak, ya bahkan ngomongin perkristalan aja kayak, dia bisa ada di bumi segitu ratus juta tahun dan terus tiba-tiba sama kita sekarang gitu kayak it's a like apa ya, bukti evolusi gitu ya. Dataran di sini sama di dataran Amerika beda, lebih muda dataran di Indonesia dan makanya batunya lebih kece, batu-batu di benua-benua sana itu juga sebenarnya adalah sebuah bukti evolusi. So I was like yeah, more of I do believe in evolution, but ya not like aku ngerti teorinya, but ya gitu deh. Ngerti kan maksudnya.
I
Yeah.
kind of like also believe in like a conspiracy theory that we're born from aliens. So, you know, okay, that could also be. I mean, I'm not like disregarding that like it's a possibility. So,
Yeah.
that's just my thing.
Do you think you can heal people with crystals?
I mean, the first time I got my crystals, I was like in a low point in my life, and I started learning about it through, you know, harnessing the energies by meditating. So I feel like it healed me from, I mean, time is also helping in that factor, but like, I do believe, you know, when you believe in
Yeah.
something, kaya it will,
Give you back.
yeah, kaya if you believe in the universe, then the universe will help you to
Manifest.
yeah, make your manifestation come true gitu loh. So when you believe, ya kan?
You will.
Kalau kamu? Ya obviously enggak sih.
Jadi sebenarnya waktu awal punya kristal tuh sebenarnya tujuannya juga karena pengen belajar crystal healing, but I do think that aduh kayaknya belum punya capacity buat ke situ deh. Jadi kayak ya udah deh, at least punya dulu dan bisa dig deeper dulu dan belajar tentang ini itunya. Ternyata kayak start off dari situ ternyata malah ya gitu, malah jadi ternyata it can actually help me heal myself gitu loh. Jadi kayak bukan tidak mungkin ke depannya akan heal people, but I don't know, heal ourselves dulu aja.
Yes. Yes. What do you think the stars are made of? A massive gas or the soul of our ancestors?
Kalau buat begini-beginian, I'm still like masih scientific sih,
Ya
aku
nggak sih?
anaknya ya,
Gitu.
not like yang kayak star seed, lalala, enggak sih, tapi kayak so yeah, I do believe that.
A massive gas?
Iya, yes.
Yeah.
Walaupun ya nggak tahu di dalam sana ada apa, cuman ya gitu. Cuman nggak yang kayak ada orang-orang tinggal di sana, terus kayak ke bumi menjadi star seed, nggak.
Yeah,
It's a
sama.
space.
Kayak it
Kamu?
just doesn't make any sense kalau I mean like
Terus.
yeah it's nice in Lion King waktu bapaknya kayak bilang kayak bapaknya meninggal terus kayak
juga ya.
bapaknya kayak bilang kayak oh we'll always be there kayak when you look up the stars kayak it's your ancestors, it's nice but then we
Yeah.
grow up and we learn about science gitu.
Iya, ya udah deh, gitu.
Which do you think is more likely, extraterrestrials or ghosts?
Ghost.
Because we live in Indo nggak sih?
Iya,
Kayak-
iya. Jadi
mana
kayak
alien
myth-nya
gitu lah.
tuh gitu.
Kayak
And
kalau
ya
di
udah,
US tuh kayak
pasti
alien
extraterrestrial.
banget.
Iya, iya gitu deh. Aku anaknya lokal banget, so I do believe in
Geng-geng.
ghosts. Ya. Walaupun kayaknya jahat gitu loh kalau menyebut mereka tuh hantu tuh kayak
Iya.
yang, aduh sedih aja gitu.
Iya,
Jadi
terus
kayak ya
ngomongnya
udah,
apa ya?
there's this like makhluk ini nih, makhluk
Iya.
lain ini yang entah ya mereka ada gitu.
Iya.
Tapi I do believe in them gitu rather than E.T. Ya. What about
E.T.
you? E.T.
I mean, I do believe in both because obviously because we're Indonesians, tapi extraterrestrial tuh karena udah banyak banget kayak evidence
Buktinya
gitu, enggak sih,
ya.
nggak tahu itu kayak asli apa enggak kan, tapi kayak you know, I want to believe that we're not the only beings in this
Yeah.
universe. The universe is so vast, kayak obviously there is something
more.
Yeah.
Iya. Tapi kadang juga aku bukan percaya sih, mikirnya kayak tapi bentuknya tuh mungkin nggak kayak
nggak kayak
nggak
kayak hijau gitu atau abu-abu gitu.
But ada gitu, tapi ya gitu nggak semamari kayak itu.
Kayak I feel like they look more like us.
Ya bisa jadi kan, ya soalnya tuh ada legend kayak gitu di Indo tuh namanya Bunian gitu, jadi kayak dia makhluk other dimension, terus kayak bentukannya kayak manusia, but they also have like car,
lebih
house,
advance.
Iya tapi lebih advance aja kayak gitu.
That's where I believe we came from. Makanya evolution tuh menurut aku kayak masih nggak tahu. Soalnya kayak we can also be derived from kayak kita tuh dibikin sama mereka gitu loh. Anyways,
apa ini guys?
Moving on.
Do you believe in reincarnation?
There was a video a long time ago of like this kid wanting to go to an island. Kamu mungkin tahu sih. Terus mama papanya tuh kayak, what are you talking about? There's no island di situ gitu. Terus dia kayak, no, I wanna go. There's a blue house with a red roof or something like that. Terus habis itu when waktu dibawa ke situ sama parents-nya, he's just a little boy gitu loh. Waktu dibawa sama parents-nya ke sana, ternyata ada rumah itu dan that little island used to be his. So kayak what other explanation is there? Kayak
Memori
other
dari
than
mana?
Memori
gitu.
dari mana kalau bukan reincarnation gitu. And that always stuck with me. Tapi kayak nggak tahu ya ini kayak hoax apa kayak you know I still don't know if it's real or not. But this was like way back when. So like the answer is I do believe in reincarnation.
Aku sih yes.
Iya kan?
Karena apa ya? Karena I do believe in past life juga gitu. Terus 5 tahun yang lalu enggak ding. Tahun kemarin tuh kayak berapa kali dibacain tentang past lifeku gitu, and wow, somehow it's related. So yeah, what can I say?
Oh my god, have we have our souls intertwined? Do you know?
I don't know, probably kita pernah ketemu di timeline yang entah kapan.
I believe that kayak the souls that we meet now itu kayak intertwined kayak, because I believe in the laws of energy juga, kayak energy cannot be produced or destroyed kan, it can only
recycling gitu kan.
Universe. Do you think your intuition is a well-calculated thought, or is it the voice in your heart telling you rights from wrongs?
Kan banyak tuh yang bilang intuition itu dari lo sering ngalamin itu, jadi kayak di waktu yang lain pas lo ngalamin itu lo nggak go back to that pattern lagi gitu. Ada yang bilang kayak gitu. So it's more like the rational thingy kan. Tapi kalau aku sih lebih ke ya itu, that tiny voice inside of my heart gitu sih. Karena kadang itu bahkan sesuatu yang bisa jadi melenceng dari apa yang sebelumnya udah aku lakuin gitu loh. Jadi kayak ya udah just go with it aja gitu. More like I just go with it, bukan kayak sesuatu yang aku dapatkan dari latihan dan pengalaman yang sudah ada lalala segala macam kayak gitu.
But do you actually hear a voice? Apakah kamu cuman kayak feeling gitu kan?
No, kan banyak yang ngomong, banyak yang gitu juga sih, tapi kayak enggak ada suara-suara itu, more like ya udah mau kesini aja gitu. Oke.
Dengerin aja sih kayak apa yang kamu mau.
Iya, exactly gitu. Jadi nggak semistis itu juga sih, kayak wah aku habis disuruh kesini nih, ya udah deh. Nggak gitu juga sih, kayak more like ya udah deh kesini. Oh ya udah ternyata di sini dapet ini gitu. Jadi nggak sebener-bener seliteral itu ada suara gitu yang ngomong gitu. Nggak gitu.
Tapi I also agree with that, kayak ya udah when that day, hari itu kayak I woke up and I wanted to go to a coffee shop, then I'll go to a coffee shop gitu loh, kayak just listen to your intuition. Maybe kayak there's something there for you gitu.
Or maybe it's just fire sign thingy. We're both fire sign though.
Fire sign.
Do you believe in a higher being?
Yes. I believe in a higher being, which is my higher self.
Mhm.
Tapi kayak I would say kayak I guess God in my situation is like the universe. Like I believe in the law of attraction. I believe in, chakras. When I pray to my higher self, like asking from myself
Yeah.
to like do what I want to do gitu loh. And also asking the universe gitu loh. So when I pray, I speak to myself, my higher self gitu. Do you believe in the higher being?
Yeah, I do. I believe in my higher self. I believe like in the
Kok kita sama sih?
higher realm. I believe in a higher realm. Tapi kayak, tapi aku masih yang kayak, oh ya, kalau I pray to my God. Tapi kayak I didn't call it as God gitu loh. Ya, tapi ya kayak gitu deh. You know what I mean?
What do you think tarot can or can't do?
Sengaja ya pertanyaannya.
Iya, dan kayak ini pas banget ke kamu, kayak I wouldn't know what to answer with this.
Well, tarot can help you speak with your higher self. So it's more like, jadi apa yang keluar tuh kan sebenarnya it's coming from you juga gitu. It's coming from your higher self. Jadi kayak it's basically you help you gitu. And then what we cannot do with tarot is, kalau buat aku sih, to menggantungkan our destiny in it gitu. Karena ya walaupun emang itu a divination tool, a fortune telling tool, tapi kayak ya dia tuh bukan sesuatu yang mutlak. Result yang kamu dapat itu bukan sesuatu yang mutlak gitu loh. Jadi kayak ya tetap sesuatu yang bisa kamu ubah lagi gitu sih. Jadi yang dia nggak bisa lakukan sih sebenarnya adalah jadi sesuatu yang plek-plekan kamu percaya gitu loh. Jadi kayak susah sih emang ngomongin percaya nggak percaya, cuman kayak ya balik lagi, itu cuman bisa bantu kamu buat tahu your current condition, tapi kan yang bisa determine entarnya gimana, lalanya gimana, kan balik lagi ke kamu sendiri gitu loh. Jadi it's not something that tarot can actually do. Tetap semuanya balik ke kamu lagi. Nah ya gitu maksud aku.
Like nothing is written in stone. Kayak you can always change your
destiny gitu. If you saw an alien, what would you do?
I mean, we talked about aliens being like in human form, so I don't think I would know that they're aliens. Jadi kayak gue cuman kayak la doing my like errands for the day, kayak bye gitu. But I don't know if I see, kayak I think I'm a curious being also, kayak gue tuh kayak kepo aja jadi orang kan. Mungkin gue bakal kayak
minta diajarin.
Iya, minta kayak interview, kayak ngajak dia I dare to share gitu, kayak to know more about like their lifestyle or whatever. What would you do?
Absorb their ilmu.
True.
Iya kan? Emang mereka doang yang bisa. Kan kalau sekarang kan selalu image-nya tuh kayak wah mereka tuh terdepan secara knowledge, terus kayak
tahu dari mana
segala macam ya gitu.
Kalau kita yang punya teknologinya gimana ternyata? Kayak kita paling advance di dunia.
Iya, kita nggak tahu. Pengen aja gitu, pengen diajak main. What surprised you the most about the universe or life in general?
Aku nggak tahu cara jawabnya gimana.
Minum.
Coba kamu jawab.
Nggak tahu sih, ini klise banget sih, tapi kayak fakta-fakta kayak
How would you answer that question?
Ya simple aja sih, klise banget. Maksudnya kayak the fact that we are all connected aja itu sebenarnya sesuatu yang sampai sekarang masih selalu kayak berulang kali surprising. Gitu sih. Jadi kayak
That's so true.
Jadi kayak maksudnya kita lagi diem aja, kadang-kadang si universe ini always has its own way to surprise us gitu loh.
Do you have any specific memory or like the universe kind of like by the way,
wait. Kalau lagi spontan, ini susah sih jawabnya, tapi kayak ya sering banget, maksudnya I am here with you now gitu, dari kita yang tadinya
kita
ketemu di mana ya, terus kayak itu aja tuh sebenarnya aneh banget juga gitu dari menjaga mood bersama gitu. Terus tiba-tiba ini jadi bisa ngobrolin beginian, itu juga ya it's one of the many examples sih itu dari surprise anehnya universe gitu.
True. Dan kenapa kayak baru sekarang gitu ya kan?
Iya, kan maksudnya kayak bisa aja sebenarnya tahun lalu juga langsung terjadi, tapi kan si universe nggak mau ngasih kita ya tahun lalu juga. Ya udah, pasti ada reason behind this. If dinosaurs were never extinct, what do you think could be happening right now? Wah, udah langsung pikiran tuh.
I think we would have them as like a mode of transportation.
Ya bisa.
Or like
Pets.
or pets, yeah. Like domesticate the shit out of them gitu.
Iya. Lucu banget sih berkendara dinosaur.
Iya, kayak you have a pet T-Rex?
Iya.
Gue sih kayak gue sukanya sama ini apa kayak I don't know, the flying ones. The dragon ones.
Dragon. Bronto.
If you have one chance to cast a magic spell, what would it be?
I just want all the people in the world to be healed.
So nice.
Jadi kayak ya udah deh, nggak usah capek-capek lagi loh. Kayaknya kalau jadi kalau misalnya mereka healed kan mereka at least ya tahu isunya mereka apa. Jadi ya udah nggak usah bikin capek orang lain atau bikin capek diri mereka sendiri. Udah itu doang sih. Atau itu muluk-muluk sih. Be healed. At least I just want all people in the world to know their issues and how to overcome it. Udah.
And that's a very special ending to our special edition of I Dare to Share. That's a really nice ending, by the way, kayak so nice. Thank you guys for watching this episode. If you have any questions or suggestions of what you want the conversation to be next, comment down below. And see you guys in the next one. Bye!